Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Diane Foxington from The Bad Guys. So to start drawing Diane, I'm going to start with the eyes. I'm going to draw a shape like this. Like that. And I'm going to give a few eyelashes. 1, 2, 3. So I got like 3 triangles here attached to that shape we just made. And now I'm going to do an oval. And I'm going to put a circle at the top of that oval. And I'm going to color everything else in dark except for that circle I just made. I'm going to thicken up this first shape I made. I'm just going to draw a little bit of a thicker line there. Okay, like that. Next, let's do an eyebrow. So above that shape, we're going to do a shape like this. And we can color that in dark. Like that. Alright, so next I'm going to continue on from this first shape we made, like that, and draw in underneath it too. So we now have a completed shape. Alright, so next I'm going to do her other eye on the other side, and I'm going to try my best to make it look like this one, but it's okay if it's not totally perfect. Just going to try to make it around the same size. So I'm thickening the shape here on this side and drawing that shape there underneath. And then those 3 triangle shaped eyelashes. One, 2, 3. Now the inside of the eye, got that oval and the circle up top, and then everything else is dark. Okay, and now an eyebrow up above that, and the eyebrow goes in dark as well. Alright, so we've got the 2 eyes. Now we can do the nose, so it's kind of like an upside down triangle and the edges are rounded. So it's like I call it like a soft triangle. Okay, so next let's give her a smile. And give her a smile like that. And I'm going to thicken it up a little bit too. I'm going to do a little teeny tiny line on at the very end of the smile at both ends. See, so it's a very teeny tiny line at both ends of the smile. Alright, so next let's work on top of her head. So I'm going to do a line right here. And over here, come on down, and same over here. And we can start doing a bit of side fluff. So just a bit of fluff here on the side of her face. So we got like, we just did like 3 little pointed triangle kind of shapes. And then we can come on down from there, like that. And we can give her those big tall ears. 1, 2, and I'm going to draw a line coming down right here, and one come down this way, so it gives the inside of her ear a bit more dimension. Just putting a few lines here. And going on up. Okay, and now let's see. Let's continue on down the neck here a bit. And we can start drawing her shoulder. So I'm going to do a shoulder like that. And we can come on down a bit this way. And got another shoulder right here. And I'm going to draw her in her like purpley pink dress. I think that one's really pretty. So the top of that one is, it's got like a sweetheart neckline, so it's kind of like the top of a heart. So you can come down a little bit right there, and then come on up and over. And come on down a little bit. And right here, we can start drawing her arm. And bring it over here. And we can continue this line going down. And this shoulder line here, we can bring that in. So the arm is going down like that. And this arm, we can continue that line. And here we got an elbow. And we can work in this way, and our line is getting thinner the closer it gets to the wrist. And I can do a line coming down this way for her hand, and do a little line like that. And we got a few little bumps here for knuckles, and then we got a finger right there. And this other arm is just coming on down. And now the dress is going to come out this way. So we got a little tiny line there for the dress, and a line coming this way for the rest of the dress. Now, something that we need to do is the tail. So let's start like right here, and we can draw a foxtail. And give it a little bit of floof coming on down. And I can do some like zigzaggy up and down lines right here for the top of that tail. And let's see, up here, I'm also going to come down from the eyebrow here and kind of see how I kind of made it join up with the eye right there. Okay, so over here, I'm going to go down and over, and I'm going to do that with the other eye too. Right there, and coming on down and going over. And we're going to do that too for over here for the mouth area, because it's also going to be like a different color than the rest of her fur. So I'm coming on down here from the smile, and coming on down, and same over here. And coming on down a bit more, and going on down here. All right, so my sketch is done, and I'm gonna get started with the coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today, and I will see you tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!